What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into a product that has truly impressed me, starting with the build quality. The design is a meticulous blend of modern aesthetics and utilitarian functionality. It boasts a premium tactile finish, providing a solid feel, and on a performance level, it genuinely enhances daily workflow. This is engineering simplicity at its best. Now, let's analyze the cost matrix. Considering its specifications and construction, the price point is incredibly aggressive. It's affordable quality that disrupts the market. The versatility profile is also expansive. From a professional setup to domestic organization or even a tech gift, it's an ideal acquisition. All specifications and links are in the description. Hit like if you appreciate smart design, subscribe for more breakdown. What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into a